Hey, this is Eric with TechnoRV. Today I want to talk to you about the product SmartPlug, what it is, and why you may need one. The SmartPlug is basically a kit that is going to replace your standard twist lock plug on your power cable for your 30 or 50 amp RV. So with the SmartPlug kit, you're going to get the plug head, and this is just going to replace your twist lock head on the existing cable that you have. So you'll cut that head off and install this one. And then in the kit, you're also going to get the inlet side on your RV. So once you have everything completed, then these, of course, would go together. So let's talk about some of the product features of the SmartPlug and why you would need this product. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is talk about the existing twist lock plug that you have right now. So the existing twist plug design that comes on most plugs these days for RVs have a lot of problems. First is the curved shaped electrical pins, and these curved shaped electrical pins can cause minimal contact surface area, and this creates heat on the plug. There's also a gap that usually exists between the twist lock plug and the inlet on your RV. This gap can oftentimes cause stress on the electrical pins, and it can cause the pins to become loose, and again, creating more heat on the plug. Oftentimes, the locking ring on the twist lock plug is prone to stripping, cracking, and this can cause the plug to hang from the inlet, again putting stress on those pins, creating heat. Weatherproofing is often an issue. A lot of times there's usually just a dust gasket and nothing to keep the moisture out of the electrical contacts. So those are the general problems that you have with the twist lock plugs, and the SmartPlug resolves all those issues with just a much higher quality product. So let's talk about that a little bit. The first thing you'll notice about the SmartPlug is that the electrical pins are oversized pins, and this makes for more efficient power transfer, even under heavy amperage loads. So there is going to be 20 times more contact surface with the SmartPlug over your typical twist lock plug. And that's going to mean less heat on the plug and better power transfer. The next thing that you'll notice about the SmartPlug is the way that the plug connects to the inlet. There's no wiggle room at all like that you would see on a standard twist lock plug. When this goes in, these clips on the side are going to connect to the inlet just like that. There's no hanging, there's no sagging, and then as a secondary measure to make sure that plug stays in place, this cap comes down and actually snaps onto the plug. This is going to make sure that there's a nice snug fit, and again, there's not going to be any stress on the electrical pins within the plug or inlet. This unique plug body shape, it just ensures that there's no misalignment. Again, with the twist plug types, a lot of times, first of all, you have to find the right spot to put it in. We've seen a lot of RVers that they don't even complete the twist with that locking ring. A lot of times there's issues with this. And with this, there's no chance for misalignment because there's no twisting involved. You just put it on and it makes sure that there is a nice snug fit for your SmartPlug. Let's talk about the quality of the SmartPlug. They only use the best components and parts for this unit right here. All of the external metals are marine grade quality stainless steel. The electrical pins are nickel plated brass so that you get maximum conductivity. The plastics are all UV and heat resistance, and it's all made right here in the USA. Again, what you get with the kit is you're going to get your inlet side for your RV, and the screw hole pattern will be the same as your standard twist plug pattern will be. And then you're going to get, of course, your plug head that will replace that twist plug. And it comes with great instructions, a few tools, few screws that you might need. It's all included in the kit. So there you have it. It's the SmartPlug kit. You can get it for your 50 or 30 amp RV, and you can get it all at TechnoRV.com.